Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your BMO online account password. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website. Then sign in with your card number or username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the page. Click on the profile icon. Under the Settings section, you will see an option for Privacy and Security Settings. Click on Privacy and Security Settings. Here, you will see an option for Change My Password. Click on Change My Password. Now, enter your current password on the first field. On the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. After entering, click on the Change Password button. That's how you change your BMO online account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.